Hello, this is attorney Greg Anderson from Bryant. Now that we've started working on your injury claim and you've started treatment for your injuries, we want to reinforce some information that's crucial to the success of your case. Once you have completed all of your medical treatment and have been released by your doctor, we'll collect all the medical records related to your injuries. Once we've gathered those records, that is the end of the first stage of your case. This is likely the longest period during the legal process, so please be patient. Your health is important, so please don't rush your recovery. Continue to see your doctor and do not stop until you've been released from treatment. Tell your doctor about all symptoms throughout treatment so that they can document them. Even if they seem minor, it could be important to properly diagnosing a bigger injury. Keep a list of doctors and medical facilities that you see. Save all your medical bills and receipts from co-pays, prescriptions, and services you had to hire out. And please be mindful of what you post on social media. The insurance company is looking for a way to skew your posts to minimize the amount they have to pay you. So happy-looking photos or stray comments about how you're feeling, even if they have nothing to do with your health or your injuries, can be taken out of context and used against you. At Bryant, we're here to help you get the best possible medical treatment and get you the maximum amount of compensation. We're glad you've chosen us to fight for you during this difficult time. We'll be in regular contact with you to answer questions and advise you on any concerns you have.